incredibly long time one, so I'm gonna do it. Anyway, I hope you guys like it.
That's so interesting.
Yeah, we do some really weird stuff. I'm in love with Christina Grimmie, even though she hates her.
I don't hate her.
Okay.
Don't ever say that I hate somebody like that.
The phone is ringing.
I just rather Sam. Yeah.
Sam. So maybe that can be the question of the day. That should be the question of the day. Who's better? Christina Grimmie? Or Sam, whatever his last name is. She saw me. We'll put links on the ground, and you guys can tell us. Who's better? Don't let her. She doesn't know anything. Grimmie's so much better. Okay, only one thing for you. My heart's stereo. Beats for you, so listen close. My heart's on every note. Make me a radio. Turn me up when you get low. Let's see what's meant for you. Sing along to a stereo. Oh, 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 oh. Stereo, it only plays for you. My heart's a stereo, it plays for you, so listen close. Every note. Make me a radio and turn me up when you feel low. Listen to what's meant for you. Sing along to stereo.